What's after D?
I know that it's
What comes after D, Noah?
duh, duh, duh.
Very good. D says duh.
Dogs.
D for dogs. Good. What's after D? Can you look at the picture and see?
D.
What comes after D?
H.
No. What comes after D?
E.
Very good. Where's the E?
E. E. X. X.
E for eggs? Good.
E. X. Train.
What comes after E? What comes after E, Noah?
E. 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 A. A. A.
F. Very good. What comes after F? What's after F? Is that the sound F makes? Good. Good. Now what comes after F? Look at the picture if you don't know.
Mama.
G. Good.
G. 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 Of it.
What's after G?
Oh, of it.
It is an orange one, but that's not the right one. Which one goes after G? Look at the picture.
N.
Look at the picture, Noah. Look at the picture and see what comes after G.
J. J. J.
Very good.
J.
No, not J.
J. K.
K does come after J. What comes after G?
G. J. J.
Look at the picture and see.
J. J. H.
H. Very good. Where's the H?
Oh, it's good. Mama. It's